Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share a project in Base44. Now once you're logged into Base44, in the dashboard you'll see recent apps and you can click on any app you want right here. I'll go ahead and click on this one. So share this project. So you click on the project itself and then here at the top right, you'll see the share button right here. You can click on this to share the app itself, right? Give a public URL, share this, copy this with people, or you can send an invitation via email as well and choose the access level. You can even make them an admin if you do have a paid plan. Then you just send invitation, click here. What you can also do is just publish this app. So here we have the domain. Okay, once it is published, just click here, it will be published and people will be able to access it publicly. You just copy this address, you paste it, you send it over via email, message, anywhere you want, and people will be able to use this specific app. As you can see, the whole thing right here. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.